Hi, this is Alan Eccles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Rockdale, Illinois, and home of the KWM Gutterman Corporation. For over 40 years, this family-owned and operated corporation has been producing the finest continuous gutter machines in the United States. Founded in the early 80s by Carl W. Miner Sr., he purchased the first continuous gutter forming machine in this area and became very skilled in adjusting and repairing gutter machines. Well, with an unparalleled reputation, Carl traveled across the country servicing all types of roll forming equipment. By the late 1970s, he chose to use his expansive knowledge to manufacture his own line of gutter machines, and the company has consistently grown and expanded since that time. Carl's passion, spirit, expertise, and work ethic continued to live on in the minds and hearts of those who knew him. Building the highest quality gutter machines is in the DNA of the Miner family. Owners Keith and Ken Miner oversee the company's daily operations. They are masterful in manufacturing KWM's Ironman gutter machines and are nationally recognized as experts in seamless roll forming equipment. KWM's entire product line is manufactured in their 100,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility. KWM is conveniently located just 45 miles southwest of Chicago, making access to their facility and product delivery advantageous to customers and distributors alike. But the company's reach is really quite global. KWM gutter machines are sold in 5 continents, including North and South America, Europe, Africa, and Asia. Visit them at kwmgutterman.com. This is Alan Eccles for Manufacturing Marvels.